Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Kenisha Mighty. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to share. Today's song is dedicated to my husband. Today is our anniversary and I want to ask God to cover us under his wings. Today's song entitles I'm Falling For You by Leela James. Hope you guys enjoy. All right, and this is how it goes.
Marvin Rollers.
Here we are together, and everything between us is good. I'm riding this cloud, baby, ready to fly, but before I take another step, would you catch me if I fall for you? 'Cause I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. I'm so used to standing, so used to being on my own, but this thing is new, babe. It feels like I'm losing control. I'll take another step if you catch me when I fall for you. 'Cause I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Will you promise to be there, stay by my side always, whenever I need you? Don't let me down, no, no. If I give you my all, don't let me fall. Would you do that for me? Hold me. Will you love me?
Marvin Rollers.
My heart is ready for love and to be loved, and I choose you, babe. That's the one thing I'm sure of, so I will take this one last step. So catch me, I'm falling for you. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, falling, falling.
Marvin Rollers. Ken, where you there? Ken, where you there?